Hello friends, welcome to the video. Today we will understand about one more exchange type, that is Fanout exchange. So this is our setup. So we have an application called producer. We have exchange, that is our Fanout exchange. We have queues associated with the Fanout exchange, and we have consumers associated with the queue. So in Fanout exchange, there is no key like direct exchange, what we read earlier. Okay, in Fanout exchange, each and every message coming from the producer goes to each and every queue, and from that queue, it goes to the consumer associated with it. You can understand it like a publisher subscriber model. Real life example of this Fanout exchange, you can consider it as an email. So when you send an email, you put the email address to all the senders which whom you want to send, and it goes to each and every sender. You put in the sender list. So this is it. It's a very simple type of exchange. Hope you understood it. Let's code the Fanout exchange in Spring Boot in the next tutorial. Thank you.